Nonro mar bero mar timne ringre nyadendi Naneu Muthoni ma nyocha okwany konegi e kar dak mar Lang'ata oyango ni nyocha otho kaluore gi hinyruok e obuongone. Nonro bende koro yango ni nyocha ogoye nyading'eny kendo ma ochuoye gi gima bith. Jafwambo marwa ma Beti Juma ne ochopo e kar timo bero ma Montezuma kendo miyowa ler mar wachni.
Nonro mar yango adieri e wi nek mar nyadendi Naneu Muthoni ne ochopo nyaka e kar kano ringre mar Montezuma kama ne otime bero ne ringre. Nonro mar bero ofwenyo ni Naneu ma nyocha okwany kotho e od osiepne ma wuoyi nyocha oyudo hinyruok e obuongone to kod hinyruok e dende. Anyuola mar Muthoni temo paro ndache chakre nyocha owuok e dalagi chieng' tich abich juma mokalo ka odhi limo osiepne e kar dak ma Lang'ata buore Nairobi. Grace Muturi en min mare.
On Saturday in the morning when I called her, her phone was unanswered. It was off. So I thought probably maybe she decided to go out after I dropped her. And maybe she's still asleep. So I said, let me go to work. And maybe when I come back, or when she wakes up, she will call me, which she didn't. So in the evening, I tried again. Her phone was unanswered. It was still off. So I let it go until on that Saturday is now when she called me at about 2:30. So I picked the phone and I saw it was her number. I picked the phone, I said, hello, hello, but there was nobody speaking.
Menyo mare nyocha ochuo tero mingi nyaka e od jagono ma osebedo osiep nyare kuom higa achiel. Kanyo ema ne orome gi buok.
I was almost now knowing exactly what could have happened. So one policeman told me, would you like to sit? I said, yeah. So he opened his car. I sat in the car. So they told me, just cool down. Cool down a little. Who are you? So I told them, I'm the mother to the girl who comes here. What is her name? I told them she's called Naneu. So one of them happened to be a Maasai. So he asked me, are you Maasai? I said, yes. So he started speaking to me in Kimasai. So he told me, okay, it is like this, ma'am. Your daughter has been murdered. And the guy who has murdered her is at large.
Obila ma Lang'ata ne osechopo mar timo nonro e wi nek mar Muthoni. Ka lipot mar obila wacho ni ne en gi hinyruok e wiye gi dende, remo bende nyocha omienore e korot kendo chalo ka gima ne gin gi ywaruok kapok onege.
And unfortunately, our guy was no more. Muthoni was not there, and the blood was spilled all over the walls, and she looked very uncomfortable. She looked very bad, and she was laying there at the couch.
Familia mar Muthoni odong' mana gi muodo lak gi ang'e ka gifwenyonwa ni Muthoni gi Mbugua ok osebedo gi winjruok e kindgi.
It has not been a very steady relationship, and I have tried severally to discourage her. Several times I have tried to discourage her, but I don't know how she keeps going back. So every time she goes, they fight. There's one time she came and she had a red eye. So I asked her, what is wrong with your eye? And she said some shampoo entered her eye. It was a lie. So this same lady I called yesterday told me, Ma'am, has Naneu ever told you that this boy beats her?
Beti Juma, Ramogi TV.